Did you know the average person spends over $3,000 a year on home decor? But what if I told you there's a way to get a designer look without the designer price tag? Today, I'm sharing the ultimate toolkit every DIY decorator needs to transform their space on a budget. DIY decorating has become more popular than ever, and for good reason. It's affordable, fun, and lets you add a personal touch to your home. But let's be real, the right tools make all the difference. In today's video, I'll walk you through the essentials that will make every project easier, faster, and more enjoyable. As a DIY decorator, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. You're faced with so many choices, from what colors to choose to which tools you actually need. And trust me, I've been there, buying every tool I could find, only to use a handful of them. So today, I'm here to cut through the clutter and show you the key tools that will take your DIY projects to the next level without the frustration. All right, let's dive into our toolkit essentials. Measuring tape, a must-have for any project, from hanging art to measuring for furniture placement. Accuracy is everything, and this is your best friend for perfect measurements. Level 1 to avoid that. Oops, it's crooked moment. A level will keep everything aligned, whether it's shelves or wall art. Utility knife and scissors. These are lifesavers for cutting everything from wallpaper to fabric. Invest in a sturdy utility knife and you'll thank yourself later. Paint brushes and rollers. For those DIY painting projects, a good set of brushes and rollers gives a smooth finish and saves time. Plus, don't forget painter's tape for those crisp lines. Now for the game changer, meet the electric sander. If you've ever tried sanding by hand, you know it's tiring and time-consuming, but with this little powerhouse, you can prep surfaces for painting, refinish furniture, or create that smooth as silk finish in a fraction of the time. Here, let me show you how easily it works. It's quick, it's easy, and it saves so much effort. Plus, it's perfect for all those DIY furniture makeovers we all love. So there you have it, the ultimate toolkit for every DIY decorator. From measuring and leveling to cutting and sanding, these essentials are all you need to start tackling your next project with confidence. With these tools by your side, there's no project you can't handle. Now it's your turn, sir. What's your favorite DIY tool? Drop it in the comments and let's get inspired. And if you're looking for more tips to transform your space, check out my next video on quick and easy decor hacks. Happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next one.